Alright guys, so the video that you guys are about to watch, I recorded it about 2 weeks ago, and it's basically me showing you guys how to install the strut bar on a G37/370Z. I actually got the strut bar from Soul Function. They actually have great customer service, and they actually replied to people on Instagram, so definitely hit them up if you're in the market for a strut bar. But you guys watch this video, and then when it's done, you can come back. So the first thing you're going to want to do, on my car, I have to take the intake off, so that's what we're gonna do right now. Just like that. Then this literally just pulls right out just like that. So we're gonna put that to the side so that we can access the bolts right down there. All right, so I already did it on this side. I couldn't show you guys because it was a little, the lighting was over there wasn't good. So I'm gonna show you guys on this side. Alright, so I think I just realized something. Alright, so this is the hardware that it came with. I think I'm supposed to use these. They're supposed to go down like this so that there's no play. So let me take those bolts out and put these bolts in and see what's going on. Yep. So if you take a look, I'm gonna zoom in. The bolt is supposed to go down into the hole, so you can't. You shouldn't use the original nuts. So the ones right over here, the black ones that I had originally, you shouldn't use those. You should use the one that came inside the hardware package. All right, so this is all the hardware that came with it. So you got your nuts to put on the bolts. That's well, on your strut bolts, and then you got the bolts to go through the actual strut bar once you put it on. I do recommend you guys using these nuts that came with it for the simple fact that the bottom of the nut, it has like a ridge or rivet that goes inside the hole, and it keeps it in place instead of wiggling around. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to replace all these nuts, and then I'm gonna put the black piece across. Alright Goats, welcome back. So I hope you guys enjoyed that simple install. If you did, what I need from you guys to do is go downstairs, hit that like button, don't forget to comment and subscribe. And again, I apologize for the video being so short. It was a really simple install. Like, I did it in less than 30 minutes, so it shouldn't take you guys that long to do it. Like, on a scale of 1 to 5, it's a 1. It's easy. But that's it. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.